Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard at home with custard powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need custard powder, milk, and sugar. Make sure you also have a saucepan, a whisk, and some measuring cups ready. For the best results, I recommend using full-fat milk. It truly makes a difference in achieving that wonderfully rich and creamy texture we all love. Now, let's prepare our custard slurry to avoid any lumps. In a separate bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of custard powder with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add about 4 tablespoons of cold milk to this powder mixture. Whisk everything together thoroughly until you have a perfectly smooth, lump-free paste. This step is crucial for a silky smooth final custard. With your slurry ready, it's time to cook. Heat 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer gently. Do not let it boil. Now, gradually pour your prepared custard slurry into the hot milk, whisking constantly as you pour. Continue stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes until the custard thickens to your desired consistency. Once your custard has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. You can now pour the warm, delicious custard into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. It's wonderful served warm with your favorite desserts, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for a delightful cold treat later. Enjoy your homemade custard.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.